Hi guys, today let's discuss the LeetCode question 188, best time to buy and sell stock 4. You are given an integer array prices where prices of I is the prices of the given stock on the ith day and an integer k. Find the maximum profit you can achieve. You can complete at most k transactions, that is you may buy at most k times and sell at most k times. Note, you may not engage in multiple transactions simultaneously. This question is going to be exactly the same as best time to buy and sell stock 3, that is the LeetCode question 123. So I am going to link the explanation part in the description section. So please kindly refer to that explanation. So let's not waste any time further and go into the coding part. Let's start by creating this dynamic programming array. So which is going to be a grid in this case. dp is equal to 0 for underscore in range of length of prices for underscore in range of, so we are going to have k plus 1. So this is going to be the grid that we are constructing. So we are going to loop this grid from 1 comma 1 to the end of the grid. So for I in range of 1 to so it is going to be k plus 1 transactions, and our best y is equal to dp of I minus 1 0 minus we are purchasing the stock on that 0th day, and we are going to look for j in range of 1 to length of prices. Let's compute the best y. So best y is going to be the max of best y comma dp of I minus 1 j minus 1 minus prices of j minus 1. So we purchased the stock on j minus 1 day and the maximum profit that we achieved till j minus 1 day. And now let's update the dp of ij. So dp of ij is equal to the max of dp of I j minus 1 comma best y, and we are selling the stock at today's price, so prices of j. So we have computed our dp grid. So let's return the maximum profit that we have achieved by making at most k transactions, dp of minus 1 and minus 1. I think we are done. So let's quickly run the code. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's quickly submit it as well. Yeah, it is submitted. Hope you liked my explanation. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.